राज्यात पहिलेच फावट नाचण्याचे फेस्त व्हडा उमेदीन जाले। आयतारा 12 मार्चाक सकाळी 11 ते सांजे 5 मेरेन म्हापशेच्या धुळेर एग्रीकल्चर फार्मात ते जाले। या वेळार जायत्या जाणांनी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे नाचण्याचे उत्पादना आणि नाचण्यापासून तयार जावपी वस्तूंचे प्रदर्शन लेगीत केले।
There are major millets and minor millets. Ragi is one of the major. Jawar, bajra, ragi are the major millets. Then Banyard millet, Wari or Proso millet, then little millet, and these are the small millet. Ragi occupies the third largest major millet after Jawar, bajra, and ragi ka. So traditionally, as I told, it never occupied a big area. It was grown only in the hilly parts of India, during any season. But the crop can be grown in any season, provided there is no water stagnation. And it can come up. Advantage, it can come up in any poor soil. It doesn't require a fertile soil also. It doesn't require much water also. But it was never a part of a major food item. And we do not bring farmers. People who are interested, they come. We give these outlet stalls.
So we have prepared Nagli laddus. So what are the benefits of Nagli laddus? These are very rich in protein. It has about 5 to 8% of protein, 60 to 75% of carbohydrates, and they are beneficial in many different our body health. So they are also good in dietary fibers. Means dietary fiber. What are the benefits of dietary fibers? Dietary fibers help us to maintain the cholesterol level in our body, and this also have it also helps to control heart disease. So heart attack patients are there, no? So it is very beneficial if you consume this Nagli laddus. So let's see how we have prepared this. First, we roasted the finger millets and groundnuts and elaichi. We have made a paste out of it, and then we mix it with our local ghee. We use our local ghee. Then we use sesame seeds, and after that we prepared and sesame seeds. After that, we prepared a mixture of it, a nice mixture, and we give them a shape of laddu. And we have also mixed groundnut in this. So this way we prepared this.
सो हिमोफिलिया एक ब्रीफ बद्दल सांगूंक सोदता की हिमोफिलिया म्हणजे एक रक्ताचो दुयेंस आहे, ब्लिडिंग डिसऑर्डर, ब्लड रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम. सो आमच्या भितर न्ही एक प्रोटीन रेडी जायना. सो तेजे खातीर न्ही मातशें कितें कट पडलें न्ही रगत व्हांवत रावता कळ्ळें न्ही. आनी तितून भितर न्ही मेन दोन मोस्ट कॉमन म्हणटा तो तितून दोन कॅटेगरी आसात, हिमोफिलिया ए एंड बी म्हणून. सो 85% पेशंट आमचे हिमोफिलिया ए एंड 15% हिमोफिलिया बी आसा. सो तेजे खातीर आमकां कितें करचें पडटा, डेली लायफस्टायल आनी आमकां नॉर्मली लायफस्टायल आमी जगून जाय पडटा ती आमकां एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डेज वीकली 2 to 3 टायम्स आमी इंजेक्शन घेवचें पडटा. सो ते इंजेक्शन घेत रावल्यार आमी प्रॉपर नॉर्मल लायफ काडूंक शकता. बट आमी अवेरनेस कमी आसा तेजे खातीर पेशंट कितलेशे घरा कडेन सफर जायत आसता. सो आमी इवन डॉक्टरांचे मध्ये बी अवेरनेस कमी आसा म्हणून ते भुरग्यांक सारके ट्रिटमेंट मेळना. आमी आमचे रोल हेच आसता की आमी प्रॉपर अवेरनेस हाडपाचे डॉक्टरांचे मध्ये.
गोवा 365 खातीर समीप नार्वेकर आणि मनीषा जाधव.